Today I am looking at this book here, Ghetto, Gastro, Black Power Kitchen. It's part cookbook, part manifesto. It says it was created with big Bronx energy. There's 75 mostly plant-based recipes. This is a combination of storytelling and art and images that celebrate Black food, Black culture. It is definitely a food justice book with writing about race, history, food inequity, and how food is a tool for self-empowerment. The members of Ghetto Gastro are John Gray, Pierre Serrao, and Lester Walker, and it features the writing of Osayi Endolyn, a James Beard Award-winning writer on food.